In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize Koji's avatar. First, make sure you are in the Koji backoffice of your JSM project. Go to Koji Settings and scroll down to the Bot Avatar section, where you can find the instructions. To customize Koji's avatar, you just need to add an image named kbotavatar.png to the file manager. To do so, start by clicking on Content, then File Manager. Next, click on Upload and select Files. Select your avatar and click Open. Make sure it is named kbotavatar and is in PNG format. Once the file is added, click Upload. The image kbotavatar.png is now available in the File Manager and will automatically replace Koji's default avatar. Let's view the change by accessing the Service Desk portal. As you can see here, the new avatar is now displayed. Note that this applies only to new messages. Old messages will keep the default avatar.